This out. I'm welding my own off-road bumper, a move bumper kit. So in the stock location, the turn signals are big and bulky and they're down low in the bumper, which is kind of a silly location. So I went to Yoda Shop for 25 bucks, including shipping. I got an LED turn signal relocation kit with a resistor to make them blink the right speed and put them in the marker lights like you're supposed to. Now you can't really see them. They're pretty dim. So what I did a little research real quick. I got it set up on this side. I moved one wire, and so now when I turn my turn signals on, my marker light blinks too. So the whole corner is blinking. All you have to do, here's my turn signal wiring. You clip the, marker light wiring. Clip the ground wire from your marker lights. You run that ground wire into the positive wire of your blinker circuit. On this truck, it's a green and black wire. That'll cause it to blink with your blinkers. And if you turn the blinkers off, you got just a solid marker light.